Unit 9, Advertising Media. In this unit, we'll discuss various media of advertising, the requisites of an ideal medium and the choice of suitable media. First, let's start with meaning and importance of media. In Unit 8, we have learned what is advertising, how it is different from publicity, the objectives of advertising, the role of advertising in the society, and the future of an effective advertisement. As we know, for business firms, advertising is a very important. It means communicating with the consumers about product or services, their usefulness, quality, place where they are available, etc. The basic objective of all this is to promote sales. This objective is fulfilled only when the advertisement message reaches the intended customers. In this regard, the media used, that is, the means which carries the message, is very important. The method or its means adopted to communicate the message of an advertisement is known as medium of advertising. In other words, medium is the vehicle or carries of advertising message to the target customers or prospects. Thus, newspaper is a medium of advertising because it carries message in print about product and services. Similarly, radio is another medium of advertising to broadcast and communicate advertising to the listeners. Advertisement through televisions carry the message about product and services to viewers. Posters, handbills, cinema slides, outdoor display of goods, etc. are also used for advertising purpose. These are all media of advertising. The basic purpose of using the media is to bring product and services to the notice of potential. Next topic, types of media and their characteristics. A variety of media are used for advertising purpose. Different types of media, however, difference as record geographically coverage, the type of customer that media can reach, nature of appeal to customers, cost involved, etc. On the basis of their distinguished features, the media may be divided into the following broad categories. The first one, press or newspaper and magazines. First of all, we will discuss newspaper. Newspapers means newspaper is a medium that has wider coverage. Newspapers may be national, regional or local. Newspaper is a popular advertising medium. The choice of a particular newspaper depends on its popularity or reputation of the paper, the type of reader it is expected to serve and cost. Next, magazine. Magazines are the other means of press publicity. They are best suited for color and attractive advertisement. Magazines have been a rapidly growing as a medium that serve the educational, informational and entertainment needs and interest of a wide range of readers. We comes across several types of magazines which includes consumer magazines, business magazines, firm magazines and computer magazines. Next, second one, radio. Radio is the most widely used mass media. Radio is one of the popular media for advertisement. The advertiser can choose either national network or local radio to reach the customers in a particular geographical area. The local retailers are making use of FM radios as the are become popular these days, and also the advertisement tariff is less. Next, third one, television. Television is a popular means of mass communication for creating market. Television combines all these elements of communication such as illustration, music, spoken words, written words, etc. Television allows best sales presentation since the products can be demonstrated with explanation. Television reaches the audience almost like personal face-to-face contact. Next one, outdoor media. Outdoor media includes posters, billboards, hoardings, highway advertisement, etc. Outdoor media are extensively used for consumer goods and financial advertisements. Outdoor media advertising attract the attention of the people. The media requires appropriate geographic location selectivity. The media has a short life as the people may not show interest to see it again and again. The media requires more creative and novelty. And next one, direct mail. Sending personalized letters by post to the prospective customers is a method of advertising which often pays. These communications are mostly in the form of circular and sometimes accompanied by catalogs or price list. The idea behind mailing circular letters is to approach the customers directly with the advertising message and to arouse his interest in the product or service with a detail explained in a convincing manner. A mailing list is thus prepared and the letter is carefully drafted with personalized wordings. Next one, miscellaneous. There are several other types of media used for advertising. Some such media are slide projection in cinema house, films, exhibition, display in showcase, etc. Calendars, diaries, keyrings, birds, paper sweets, etc. imprinted with a message along with the advertiser's name and address also considered as advertising media. Next topic, choice of media. We have learned that there are different types of media available for advertising and each medium had certain distinct characteristics of its own. No single medium has all the ideal features. A particular medium which is suitable in one situation may not be suitable in other situation. So the manufacturer or distributor is required to select one or more media which will be most suitable for his purpose. The following factors influence the choice of media. The first one, character of media. Second one, nature of the product to be advertised. Third one, types of audience. And fourth one, coverage. And fifth one, cost. So, advertising has become integral part of social and economic life of the people.